Welcome everyone to our online RPA meetup. I am Tin. I am one of the members of RPA Philippines. Also joining us today, the founder of RPA Philippines, Sir Alan. Let me introduce first our guest speaker for tonight. He has an extensive experience in robotic process automation, and he is currently the CEO of Monstarlab Omnibus. Let's welcome Masahiro Hiraishi.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I'm giving around 30 minutes speech and 30 minutes Q&A session. We can talk later. Okay. Again, I'm Masahiro from Japan, from Monstarlab Omnibus, which is also Monstarlab Group, same as Monstarlab Philippines. So today, yeah, I'm in charge of RPA business in Japan. So I'm giving a speech about landscape of RPA business in Japan. So firstly, why one Japanese speaking in front of you, in front of Philippine people? Since I like sisig very much, that's why. No, I mean this is not the reason. Since I like party or I like people, I like members of Racks. So this is true, but this is not the reason why I'm speaking today. The reason is now Monstarlab Omnibus is selling Racks in Japan, and it's going very well now. So today I would like to share what the benefit of Racks is for users. And also, I'm talking about the business partner system in Japan too. So I would like to share that. And yeah, we would be happy if you could, have interest on it. So this is agenda for today. Firstly, I would like to give a brief introduction of Monstarlab Group. And the second one is general explanation of RPA itself. The third one is feature of Lux business in Japan. The first one is introduction of Monstarlab Group. So Monstarlab is founded 2006, so it's almost 15 years now. And now we have 1,200 people, over 1,200 people in the 16 countries right now. And Monstarlab is a software outsourcing company, and the project delivery so far is the number of projects delivered is over 2,000 already. So this is our group. Okay. And what we are doing is, yeah, I said software outsourcing, and so yeah, these days we are focusing on like transforming the client business digitally. So it's like using software or using the technology. We are helping the client's business itself. We are not just system developer, but we are also helping. We are also supporting client business in terms of software or IT. And also, we have a good design team. So we are collaborating design team and engineering team, and business team. That's a Monstarlab. Okay, so this is the founder of Monstarlab Group. Let's go do that. And so far, we were cooperating. We are working together with the very famous company in Japan or outside of Japan, like this. I think some of you may know some Japanese company, but also you can see the other. For example, this one is American company, and this one is I think China company. So yes, these are our clients. So let me explain the some case briefly. This one is Japanese local bank app that lets you pay QR code. And this one is Karim now. It's a delivery app in Middle East. And this one is mobile ordering system in at Shake Shack in US. So yeah, we are developing this kind of system with clients. And also today, I would like to introduce about our RPA system, Lux Monitor and Lux Editor. In Japan, we are selling only Lux Editor recently. So today I'm focus on this Lux Editor later. Okay. So first one, the second one is a general explanation of RPA. So I would like to confirm at the beginning, at the register form, we have some inquiry to you. Like the question was, are you familiar or already using RPA? And the answer was, yeah, more than half was no. So today I'm including very general and basic stuff about RPA. So please forgive me that for those who already know about RPA well. Yes. And the second question is, I would like to know the main purpose of yours to come to attend this meeting. So now I would like to use a function of raise your hands, and could you answer it using this function? So the first one is so you are thinking to introducing your organization. You are thinking to introducing RPA your organization. The second one is thinking to be a business partner with us. I mean, a reseller or something like that. And the third one is just you are curious about RPA, so you'd like to study, learn RPA. And yeah, fourth one and the fifth one is others. So if you have any other reason, yeah, please don't hesitate to say that. Okay, so let's. Okay, so please raise your hands if you are one, the number one, the first one. Could you raise your hands? Okay. How about the second? Sorry. How about second one? Yeah, thank you, thank you. Okay. How about the third one? Like studying RPA or learning RPA? Okay. Thank you. Anyone? Number four? Okay. Right. Okay. So if you have any other reasons, yeah, you can say now. Please should move on. Okay. So this is very general stuff about RPA. So this is the concept of RPA. Okay, this one is from Wikipedia. RPA is form or software for business process automation. And the one of the feature of RPA is it's easy to use even for non-engineer. For example, in traditional workflow automation tools, we had to use APIs or like scripting language. So we had to code. But in contrast, RPA can help you to make the more uh, easily to create a workflow or a program to automate various tasks. That's a feature. And yeah, here it says like the difference. The big difference is RPA can treat data between multiple applications. So you can get from email, and you can input some other software like PowerPoint or Word or Excel or something like that. So that's the point of RPA. So now I would like to show some demo. Okay, I'm now making some very simple program to automate my task. So this one says recording. So I would say, okay, I put, for example, RPA, Wikipedia, and maybe English. And I would like to push this button. So I recorded this operation right now. So it's already input. It's already recorded here, like this. You can see, like I set text RPA Wikipedia English, and also I put mouse button click here, which means search, Google search. So what I did is just manipulate my operation, and it was already recorded. So that's how to create automation workflow. So let's execute, for example. Now it's from here. What I need, all I need is just to put this execution button. So now I'm not touching my computer, but it was working. So that's a basic concept of RPA. Right now, I just manipulated web browser, but we can also manipulate. Yeah, if you want to click this button, I can put like this. So that's a basic concept of RPA. As you see, like RPA can substitute or RPA can automate any operations on computers. So we can apply, we can substitute every operations. Like, for example, this one is just example, but open emails and open attachments, or log in to somewhere, or move file folder, or copy and paste, or so. This one is like written by manipulation, how we can automate that. And this data shows like by industry. As you see, RPA can automate no, how to say, routine work, repetitive work. So there are lots of companies which already used RPA in Japan, but especially this industry. The first one is bank, BFSI industry is the biggest one. The second one is BPO, and third one is manufacturing and like this. So this one is a big top I don't know top industries for RPA. And also we can see we can think in terms of process by process. For example, this data shows department and process, and also cost saving potential. So let's see, for example, in the department accounting, yeah, we also doing this one, invoice interfacing. So this one is very famous use case for RPA. Our Lux is also doing that very much in Japan and also in Philippines too, I think. So that is the typical common use case for RPA. Okay, now I'm explaining how it's growing. The concept of RPA is growing. Or you can see it's so in global. It is said that it started 2015 or something, 2015 or 2016. So it's growing very rapidly. Like the growth rate is 60% to 20%. Like now it's like 20% growing. So it's very huge now, huge market. And this is like utilized rate in Japan. This one was survey in Japan. The question was, your company already started RPA or so? And the answer is that this one, the left one is in 2018, and the right one is 2019. So it's growing almost 15 or 16% in 1 year, 1.5 year. So it's growing very rapidly. That's why we started the RPA business in Japan. And also, this is interesting for us, for Japanese. This RPA companies is very famous in the world, globally. They are very famous one. For example, Automation Anywhere, or Blue Prism, or UiPath. Those are very famous, and they have lots of shares, market shares right now. But in Japan, largest one, the biggest one is Japanese company, NTT Data, this one. And second one is UiPath. This one is the same. But third one is also Japanese company, Fujitsu. And for Automation Anywhere or Blue Prism, they are very big in the world, but in Japan, their presence is not so huge. So I would say, RPA needs some local know-how. Like we need to know their operation process. And for example, when I go to China, actually I couldn't understand their operation process very well. That's why I think local company has advantage of their country. Yes. Okay, summary so far is RP is business process automation technology, and which lead us users to create program to automate operations on computer in GUI. So that's why we can make program very easily. And RPA allows data to be handled in and between multiple applications, like retrieving data from web and put it in Excel or something like that. So that's one feature of RPA. And as you see, all operation on computers can be automated very easily. That's why, some company is performing, or some companies is saving a lot of times, labor time. And okay, we can skip this one. Sorry, And the market is very rapidly growing, and there are a lot of RPA companies right now. And as I said, from my personal experience, introducing RPA needs local knowledge, local know-how about business process itself in their country. This is my opinion. And from now, I'd like to explain about feature of Lux business in Japan. I would say I'd say we have three features of Lux business in Japan. The first one is we have already track record. I think you can see. So this is our clients. For example, this Kobe is some of you may know about this city in Japan. This one is West Side City. This city in West Side in Japan. We uh, yeah, we were working with them, and they are using now our RPA racks. So this one is very huge one. Kobe is I think sixth or seventh biggest city in Japan. So they are very big. And also our RPA, we those companies are using our RPA. Like for example, this Zendin Datacom or this Funai Soken is Japanese listed company. So yeah, the big company also using our RPA. And on contrast, this company is very small, like 3 employees or 4 employees, very small, but they are also using our RPA. So yes, our track record is very broad. So from government to SMB, small medium business, they are using our RPA. And also, we have clients from bank or hotel or yes, various industry. This one is our feature. I mean, our client. This one is the reason our clients chose us. I think. And the second one is very easy to use RPA. I mean, very easy to use. So our software is has rich functions and simple interface. So even non-engineer can manipulate easily. For example, me or other members in Japan are not engineer. So yeah, but we can make like automation program. And also, I think we are offering a very attractive price in Japan. That's why, yes, I think that one of the biggest reason they chose us. And the third one is now I'm explaining easy plan. I didn't know how to how to translate in English, but we call it easy plan in Japanese. Okay, yes. So now I'm explaining like general process to use RPA. This one explaining. So okay, actually, RPA is not just program. I would say RPA is a process of make operations very efficient. So here we are doing kind of consulting service in the client side, like what what operation should be efficient, or so what operation should be selected also, and we analysis those operations, and then we will make a, robot RPA robot here. This we need to this process. We need to do this process in general for RPA, but in Japan, in easy plan, we focus on specific operation in specific industry, and in advance we are preparing various robots for that. For example, in for hotel industry, we have robots for dynamic pricing, which changes the price according to the operation rate. The second one is, for example, trade company. There are lots of invoice in trade company. So we made some robots to automate invoice checking. And also, we have hair salon, easy easy plan, or we have restaurant, easy easy plan, something like that. So that's our, we already prepared various robots. Then the clients can save time for consulting or creating robot. They don't need to start from scratch. So that's why it's easy for client to start use RPA. So yes, for example, we are doing like this. So this one is brochure for hotel. We are advertising as a revenue management, I mean, dynamic pricing system. Uh, we are not emphasis RPA. We are not emphasizing RPA, but we just say dynamic pricing also. Uh, that's how, yeah. And this is very, how to say, even this, uh, even this in pandemic situation, we have a lot of inquiry from hotel or from hair salon or from wait, which one? Yeah, trade company also. We are doing like this. Okay. And the next one is okay. I would like to explain our business model. The I think the difference from other RPA company is one is yeah, as I explained, we are software development company, not only RPA. We are doing various apps or systems. So we can make we can create other systems too. We don't have to focus on RPA. Our purpose is, support clients' business. So we don't have to. Yeah, we were on TechCrunch about Kobe City project. This says, yeah, we partially contributed the save of four 400 million dollars of in Kobe City, and in this project, we of course we made RPA program, but we also made other program using other programming language. So we can mix RPA and other system and apps also. That's our advantage. That's our feature, I think. And the second one is, yeah, this one is the last topic. I'd like to explain about partnership. So this diagram shows the partnership system in Japan. We have many partners, many resellers in Japan. And what they are doing is, first one is refer the client, like they refer us to client. And if yeah they are interested, we can offer Lux. We can offer trial first, and if they decided to use our Lux, we will get license fee. And from this license fee, we are paying some monthly referring fee to the partners. And other support is, yeah, all of support are made by us. So the partner, what Risra has to is just referring at the beginning. And I think this is not so special. This is very general reseller system, referring system. And what makes us unique is we are making new robot, new easy plan with that partners. So that makes us special. For example, we Monster Lab don't know client's operation very much. We cannot offer specific or very particular mm, offer. We cannot do that. But if partners or reseller knows client's business process or operation process, it means they also know their problems in the process. So we welcome that opinion from partners, and then we collaborate and we make new robots together, and then we will sell to the client. So actually, this robot or this robot were made in that way. We made this with partners. I think that's yeah, very specific. I haven't heard that other RPA companies are doing that. So yeah, we could get lots of resellers in Japan, I think. Yes. And okay. So I think that's it. But I would like to say in the end, so most of Philippines looking for users and business partners. I know this is not the place for advertisement, but yeah, I'd like to say that. And please contact them if you are interested. And also, we have lots of other use cases like feature or use case here. So if you'd like to know about it, please stay here. Uh, yeah, for a while. Yes, that's it, I think. Thank you for hearing and
Yeah. I think we can wrap up the event now. We would like to thank Masa for being our guest speaker for RPA Philippines.
thank you.
So, to those who are not yet part of the RPA Philippines group, we posted the link on the chat box. You can join us in our Facebook group, RPA Philippines. We also have our Meetup group in Meetup. We'll just inform you with our next RPA Philippines event. Thank you, everyone, for joining us tonight.